For the latest film interviews, reviews, and everything making news in pop culture, subscribe to Film Companion now.
I've never experienced that so closely in my life. I'm also not married. बॉयफ्रेंड भी नहीं है, सिंगल हूँ. औरतों को सिखाया जाता है ना कि एडजस्टमेंट शादी में बहुत ज़रूरी है भाई. 5 महीने तो बहुत ही कम पीरियड होता है किसी को जानने का. तुम एडजस्ट कर जाओगी. मे बी वो इट वॉज अ टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप फॉर हर.
Sanya, welcome back to Spill the Tea.
Hi Sneha, thank you so much for having me.
The last time we met, it was in the middle of the pandemic, which
Right.
was about 7-8 months ago, where you told me then that you wish that the one takeaway from the pandemic is that, you know, as a film industry, we're kinder to ourselves and we take more breaks for mental health. Is that a promise you've kept to yourself at least?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Yes. And in fact, for my team also, I told them कि 8:30 के बाद I won't work. If I'm not shooting, then I don't like respond to text messages after 8:30. And Saturday, Sundays are like weekends for me. But now I'm promoting the film. If I'm shooting, I can't follow that. But if I'm not, then I follow this to the T.
Very good.
See?
Very good, very good. And here you are with your next film, Paglet, which you play the defining character of the film. I watched the film and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I want to just ask you to introduce your character, Sandhya, to the viewers watching this interview, like as if she was your friend. How would you introduce her to us?
I met Sandhya in Lucknow last year in December. उससे पहले I met her 3 years back with Umesh sir and Guneet during a narration. And I instantly fell in love with her, you know. And while shooting and after the shoot, I realized that how much she has inspired me. You know, she's an emotionally mature character, beautifully written by Umesh Bisht, our director and writer. And as I said, I instantly fell in love with this character because she's a pure soul, you know. It's sad that she's going through so much and still can't comprehend her emotions. With this very simple exterior, there's so much going inside of her, you know. She's constantly thinking. She knows that she's not acting normal. She wants to. She is comparing this whole scenario to jab uski billi mari thi, and how she used to feel, and now she's not feeling the same way.
And she feels like Pepsi can fix everything.
Pepsi can fix everything. And genuinely, poor girl, she's so hungry. She just wants to have Pepsi. But nobody else can understand, you know. And she has no one to talk to this about. She tries and talks to her best friend, but wo bhi nahi samajh pa rahi. She has nothing to say. But there's only one person in the family who understands her, and that's Dadi, you know. Because she's a non-judgmental person. She's just listening to Sandhya. And I think that's what she wants, maybe. That's Sandhya. She's cute. She's Paglet.
But how do you find the pulse of your character, Sanya? How do you just go so effortlessly from, for the lack of a better word, bubbly to internalized? How do you do that?
We sat and we developed a very strong backstory because that's what I needed. I needed a very strong memory bank for Sandhya because I didn't have anything from my experiences. No, you know, I've never experienced that so closely in my life. I'm also not married. बॉयफ्रेंड भी नहीं है, सिंगल हूँ. तो कुछ ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस था नहीं जिससे मैं कंपेयर कर सकती थी ये दो. मतलब संध्या जो चीज़ें फील कर रही है उसे. तो इट वॉज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बैक स्टोरी फॉर हर बिकॉज 5 महीने हुए हैं. आप 2 दिन के लिए भी किसी को मिलते हो तो आप और उनका पता चले कि देयर नो मोर, तो यू फील रियली बैड. इट्स वियर्ड दैट शी इज़ नॉट फीलिंग बैड, यू नो. शी इज़ नॉट फीलिंग सैड और शी इज़ नॉट क्राइंग, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू, हाउ एवर शी वॉन्ट्स टू एक्सप्रेस हर ग्रीफ, यू नो. इट्स वियर्ड एंड शी नोज दैट शी इज़ बिहेविंग वियर्डली, यू नो. तो वो चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था टू क्रैक हर साइकोलॉजी एंड दैट बैक स्टोरी. एंड वो छोटे छोटे डायलॉग्स में यू कैन सी इट. दैट dialogue where she meets Natasha ji, her mother, and she's unpacking her bag and she tells her कि कितने दिन के लिए आए हो यहाँ, अंग्रेज़ी का मोड नहीं है यहाँ, इंडियन स्टाइल है, कैसे बैठोगी, 5 महीनों में तो मुझे भी आदत नहीं पड़ी है. In that one dialogue, you know that maybe she's not comfortable in this house, you know. She has a good relationship with Alok, Parchun, Amma, Bauji and Dadi, but maybe she was not happy in her marriage. To an extent, but she never noticed that Astik's favorite color is blue, you know. Maybe Astik never used to give her that attention. और वो भी she confesses to Akanksha. All this is in her subconscious mind. कि तुम्हारी वजह से उसने मेरे से कभी सीधे मुंह बात नहीं करी, बट स्टिल शी इज़ प्रोजेक्टिंग दिस हैप्पी मैरिज. क्योंकि वो तो हमें औरतों को सिखाया जाता है ना कि एडजस्टमेंट शादी में बहुत ज़रूरी है भाई. 5 महीने तो बहुत ही कम पीरियड होता है किसी को जानने का. यू विल, तुम एडजस्ट कर जाओगी. मे बी वो इट वॉज अ टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप फॉर हर, दैट शी इज़ सो नर्वस ओपनिंग हिज कबर्ड. एक बहुत ही छोटा पॉइंट था while we were prepping for the character. Sir had a very good point that he wanted her to be extremely disorganized. So if you have noticed, Astik's side of the room is very well kept. His shoes are beautifully kept. His books and his cupboard is neat and
While
clean.
clothes are just piled up.
Yeah, and they're piled up. Everything is like so randomly put. When she goes to his corner, she can feel that anxiety in her. Maybe he never allowed her to touch his cupboard. डांट देता होगा कि अम्मा प्लीज़ मेरे कबर्ड में तुम इसको मत रखने देना, मैं अपने मेरे कबर्ड मत छूना. तो व्हेन शी इज़ ओपनिंग हिज कबर्ड, शी इज़ फीलिंग दैट एंजाइटी कि ओ माई गॉड आई हैव नेवर डन दिस, यू नो, एंड हेंस शी हैज़ नेवर नोटिस दैट ओ माई गॉड हिज फेवरेट कलर वॉज ब्लू. So these small points were really important and to develop, so that whenever I'm there in the scene, I wanted her to have like a clear vision in her head what she was going through, because I as Sanya had never experienced it. तो मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे कोई images नहीं थे कि जिससे मैं अपने experiences से वो match कर सकूँ.
I also love the dialogue which is also in the trailer where she says,
जब लड़की लोग को अकल आती है ना तो सब उन्हें पगलैटी कहते.
the world thinks she's gone mad, which is the title of the film as well. Have you had one of these experiences in life where people have thought you're crazy for perhaps dreaming bigger?
Yeah, I think I got inspired by Sandhya a lot after the film. I realized that in 2020, since koi kaam nahi tha, it was quite an introspective year for me. I realized that I have learned a lot from her, you know. She's someone, as I said, she's extremely mature emotionally. वो लगती है पगलेट, but वो पगलेट का definition in her sense is extremely different. She's quite mature. Like, she is someone who has understood in life कि it's extremely important to forgive people to move on in life. Because at one point she's looking at the मटका and she's saying कि मैं माफ़ नहीं करने वाली, इसको उल्टा लटका रहेगा यहाँ पर. But then वो बताती भी है कि मैंने माफ़ कर दिया. Because she knows कि it's very important to let go of anger, to let go of this grudge that she's holding on to move on and maybe start a new chapter in life. तो ये मैंने सीखा from Sandhya, you know. And I also realized that it's so important not to be harsh on oneself. I was extremely harsh on myself, extremely critical of what I used to do. तो मतलब perfectionist but with a negative connotation attached to it. तो वो ऐसा था कि क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, ये क्या काम है, बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, व्हाट एम आई पोस्टिंग. इतने छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में भी आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी क्रिटिकल. बट आई थिंक thanks to Sandhya, I learned a lot from her and this film and this character, you know. It sounds cliche, but I'm being very honest, because I learned that it's so important to let go of these heavy emotions to maybe start a new chapter in life, or find that crazy in you and embrace that crazy and just be yourself. And it's okay, वो validation किसी और से नहीं चाहिए मुझे अब. I validate
And
myself.
I'm going to ask you, tell me about a scene from the film that you thought you were particularly good in and you want your audience to just watch out for that scene. As an actor, you feel you did justice.
That scene where she wears Astik's shirt, you know. We shot that scene twice because it was written in a very different way. Sir wanted it to be a cathartic experience for Sandhya, because this is the first time that she's crying, you know, in the film. So he wanted her to play in that certain he wanted me to play that scene a certain way कि रो रही होगी वो बहुत, मतलब उसको विश्वास नहीं हो रहा होगा कि she was wronged and she was just projecting this beautiful marriage, she was never happy in it, and about Akanksha and all that, like, feelings that she was going through then. But I don't know, while shooting, I had started thinking like Sandhya, you know, and I'm so grateful to Umesh sir that he gave me that freedom as an actor to perform my character intuitively. So we shot that scene, but I was not happy with it. I told sir कि sir संध्या ना, मुझे नहीं लगता संध्या करना चाहती है ऐसा सीन ऐसे. संध्या को ना कुछ और करना है. मेरे को ऐसा फील नहीं आ रहा कि वो ऐसे करेगी. He was so nice to me, and we decided to reshoot that scene the next day. So we reshot it, and he was like, ठीक है, do whatever you feel like doing, you know, in the scene. So roll kiya. And I just went with the flow, you know. I was just looking at myself in the mirror, and she looks at herself. She's very happy, yet she's quite sad. She's happy that whatever was there in her subconscious mind, it's in front of her now. She knows that she was not happy. She was seeking that love and that validation from this person who's no more. She's blaming Akanksha for that. And that's the moment where she realizes that it's time to move on, where she removes his shirt and she's like, this is my time, man. I want to start a new chapter in my life. Forgiveness, maybe. So that's the scene I really...
It's also very refreshing to see the other woman and how she was portrayed. You know, we've seen the stereotypical way that the other woman is often portrayed, but here you're in a situation where the person who was possibly or not cheating is no more, and then you are face to face with the other woman. What were you particular to achieve with that dynamic?
You know, we have to give that credit to Umesh sir, because he has written these two women, Akanksha and Sandhya's character, beautifully. They're both so mature, and this sisterhood that they find in this whole situation is so precious, you know. Akanksha comes into Sandhya's life and she sparks that, you know, when she first meets Akanksha, she's jealous, she's angry. She can see that she's so perfect. Her nails are so nice. She's comparing herself on her external features. But when she gets to know her, like what actually she's going through and how beautiful Akanksha is as a person, you know, she gets inspired. She sparks that, I don't know, she motivates her to take that leap in life that I think Sandhya never took, because maybe she was letting other people take her own decisions, you know. And it's a beautiful relationship that Umesh sir has written. And Shayoni was so good in it, you know. We both held each other's hand and we were in it together. And I'm so glad that I got to work with her on this film, क्योंकि बहुत ही छोटे-छोटे चीज़ें in the film, बहुत ही छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें scenes में she used to do, which used to help me as Sandhya.
Yeah, absolutely. And before I let you go, the opening slate says, from the makers of Masan, Lunchbox, Lutera. You know you're expecting a certain type of film when you go in. I want you to define what that type means to you.
I know for a fact that Guneet जिसके साथ जुड़ी है, वो film तो मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता कि खराब हो, you know. I had doubts. I remember when I first heard जब मुझे नरेशन दिया उमेश सर ने, तो आई वाज श्योर, आई फेल इन लव विद द स्क्रिप्ट एंड ऑल, बट आई हैड डाउट्स कि वेदर आई विल बी एबल टू पुल इट ऑफ और नॉट. ओए घर पे कोई आया. तो आई हैड doubts कि whether I'll be able to pull it off or not. But Guneet had so much confidence in me. She was like, you'll be able to do it. You're Sandhya for me. You're Sandhya for me. You're Sandhya for me. I was like, oh my God, this woman has so much. Like she has that trust in me as an actor, and I was so happy. And it's because of her I did it. And I knew कि I just have to trust her, Achin, and Ekta for that matter, and so many good people who are attached to the film, and just maybe jump into it and not worry about it so much. And you have seen the film, right? It's a nice one. It's a nice one. I'm so happy I got to work with Sikya. They're amazing people, and I love working with amazing people. Nothing else matters, you know. I don't really know how the film is going to do, or people will like it or not. But that experience as an actor was so fulfilling and nice, and I'm grateful I did it.
It was a fulfilling experience for us to watch as well. So thank you so much for chatting with me.
Thanks
Take
a lot.
care,
It
and
was
all
lovely
the best
talking
for
to you.
Release Friday.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
See you. Bye.
See you. Have a good day.